So hey, hi guys. So today we will be discussing about anatropous ovule. So we all are familiar with reproduction in plants, right? So basically, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process in which the organisms they try to make their own copies, or they try to give birth to the next generation. That is basically what we call as reproduction, right? So basically, ovule does what? It helps in reproduction for plants, right? It is a reproductive structure, we rather say a reproductive structure in plants, we can call it as, right? But which kind of reproductive structure it is? It is female reproductive structure, right? Ovule, it acts as female reproductive structure in plants. Yeah, right? So basically, ovule, it will act as female reproductive structure. Clear? Then which one is male reproductive structure? That is basically the anther, right? Or we call it as stamen. What is stamen? It is the individual unit of male reproductive system. Right? What anther has? It has pollen grains, right? So pollen grains they serve as male gamete, right? And the cells in ovule they act as female gametes. So basically we are going to discuss about the ovule, that what ovule actually is, how actually ovule looks like, and what kinds of cells are there in ovule, right? So we'll be starting with structure of the ovule. So basically the structure of ovule, let me clear the board first. Right. So this is basically how the structure of ovule looks like. This is internal structure. We call it as. I will tell you furthermore. Just please focus on drawing the diagram. I'm sorry. Right. This is how the structure of a typical anatropous ovule looks like. So what does ovule have? It has these two integuments. We call them as integuments because they act as a protective structure to protect this ovule. Basically, this structure, this we call it as embryo sac. Right? This is what we call as funiculus. What this funiculus do is it will attach the ovule with this placenta. Right? Placenta does what? Placenta provides nutrition to this ovule, and this funiculus attaches ovule with the placenta for the nourishment or for getting nutrition. Right? This is embryo sac. Embryo sac has basically 7 cells. It is a 7-celled, 8 nucleated structure. So why I am saying 8 nucleated? To get that answer, you have to study about gametogenesis. This is the whole another topic by which the gametes are formed, right? So this is embryo sac. This end we call it as micropylar end or basically micropyle, and this end is shalasa. Clear? There is basically a structure over here. We call it as nucellus. This nucellus has its function in what we say germination and fertilization. Basically, embryo sac has 7 cells, out of which 3 are antipodal cells. These antipodal cells lie at chalasal end, right? This large cell in the center, it is secondary nucleus, right? And these 3 cells at the bottom, we call them as egg apparatus, right? This is egg apparatus. Egg apparatus is lying at the micropylar end. Clear? What egg apparatus has? It has 2 types of cells. So basically this larger cell which is lying in the center, we call this cell as, sorry, let me draw this cell over here because there is no space over there. So this large central cell is, it is egg, or it is basically a female gamete which is haploid, right? And these 2 cells, these are synergids. These synergids, they also take part, or they also have some role in germination. Why? Because they guide the pollen tube to reach the micropyle or to reach the embryo sac for the fertilization. So that's what is, guys. We have seen the structure of anatropous ovule, and the main question is that why we call the ovule as anatropous? Because in this type of ovule, the micropylar end is directed downwards. That's why it is called as anatropous ovule. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.